Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to get into Zoom, how to use the Zoom app to connect with your teacher and get into class. This is a bit of a complicated process, but I'm going to help you go through all of the steps so that you can do it successfully. So first we want to go to the Zoom app right here. Let's touch it. The first screen you see, you want to click the blue button, Join a Meeting. Here you can type your name. Where it says Enter Meeting ID, this is where you want to enter the number of the meeting ID that your teacher or plant contact has provided you. So I'm going to enter the one that is for this meeting. All right, I have entered the code, the meeting ID, for this meeting, and then I'm going to touch the blue button, Join. This tells me Update Required. I want to hit the blue button again, Join from Browser. Now, here we want to touch this, you see this address bar that is now highlighted blue? We want to push and hold. And we will see these options appear. We want to click on Copy. So we click Copy. Now, go down here to the arrow. Whoops. You press the arrow, okay? I want you to go to Google Chrome. We're going to press Google Chrome. Up here at the address bar, I'm going to press one time, and you see an option appear. It says Paste. I want to click Paste. And then you can hit the Enter key on the keyboard. It says Enter. Press that. This will take you to Zoom. You want to enter your name. Right now, let's say my name is Tom. You need to click I am not a robot. And this is going to ask you to select the pictures that correspond to this name. It's asking me for chimneys. I see a chimney there. I see a chimney there. I see a chimney there. Okay? Then I'm going to push this blue button, Verify. Now I can click Join. Join. And it's asking me for a passcode. This is a password that your teacher or your plant contact has provided you. I'm going to enter mine. All right, I have entered my passcode, which is the same as a password, and I'm going to touch the blue button, Join. Now we are joining the Zoom meeting. All right, once we're in the meeting, we need to select Join Audio by Computer. It's this blue button. Touch the blue button. And then we're going to be prompted to allow Zoom to use the microphone. That's this right here. We want to select Allow. So now we're in the meeting. The first thing we want to notice down here is our mute button. Make sure you can see that. That's the mute button right down there. Since it's all white, that means that we are not muted. So other people on the call can hear us right now. If we want to mute ourselves, we press the mute button, and you see a red line through the microphone. Now, you cannot be heard by other people on the call. Let's talk about Zoom etiquette for a second. If you are listening to the teacher and you are not talking, you should have your microphone muted so that your teacher does not hear any noise that is coming from you or people around you or anything going on in your house. And that way other students won't hear it and they can pay attention to class more easily. This is the video that has a line through it. That means that the video is not on right now. But let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to scoot this back so you can see. We'll touch the video. Again, Zoom will ask us for permission to use the camera. Let's select Allow. And then the camera will turn on. And there we are recording. All right, let's turn the camera off for the rest of the video. So we're going to press down here. Now there's a red line through it. It's no longer recording. Let's look at a couple other features. Down here at the bottom, you have participants. If you want to see who else is on the call, touch participants. And over here, you will see a listing of all the participants. We are the only ones on this call, and that's why you see our name up there. It says Tom or me. If you want to close this window, you touch this little arrow, and then you select close. The next feature here is share screen. You touch share screen. If you have Burlington English or some other web page pulled up, it's open, and you want to share that with your teacher and show your teacher what you're doing, you can find it here. You can find the different tabs you have open, and you can share your screen. You select the page, and then you select share. For right now, let's cancel. The next feature down here is chat. Touch chat. And then here is a chat area. It's like text messages. Right down here, you touch where it says type message here. And on your keyboard, you can type whatever message you want, and you will see it appear here. Then you can hit enter when you are done, and the message will go to the top of the chat, and other people will respond, and you will see their messages down here. Let's close the chat in the same way we close the participants. We hit the arrow, and then we select close. When you are ready to end the meeting, and you are finished with Zoom, you can leave the Zoom meeting with this red button down here where it says leave. Touch it, then you will see leave meeting appear. Touch that again. And now you have finished with Zoom.